Hello guys, today we've been sent a laptop which is sort of unbranded, but in New Zealand lots of people they are using it. The brand name is Everis. So this one here, and it's not an expensive laptop, but we have to turn it on so that we can recover the data. That's data recovery job. And as you can see, the storage is mounted onto the logic board. So there is no other way around to turn it on and retrieve the data. Let's check it if we can find something through the microscope. This is sent from a shop which sent us the devices, so most probably they should have tried something over here. See, maybe they try to power it up from the battery terminals. Anyway, so these laptops, they doesn't last long, cheap, and even the MacBooks, they do not have a good, see here, this one, we will find out what it is. This has got a burnt mark here, and this is the DC jack. I think they might have replaced the DC jack or done something here which we can see. No schematic diagram, no board view available for these laptops. So beside this here, so the next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug in the charger and quickly see what if we got 12 volt here, which is all good. So DC jack is okay. So the next thing is this W3205. So let's check what we are at here. So we got 12 volt here. We got what we have here, 3.2, was it 2.9? It's just jumping around. Here we got nothing, and here we got, this is milliohms, so nothing here. Here we got 12, here we got 12, 3.7 here, and 3.7 here. Okay, now in this situation, if we are lucky, this is what you have to figure this out. Let's check what W3205 is and if we can find the data sheet. This is W3205 datasheet, and this is the closest I can get. And as we can see, this one is over voltage and overcurrent protection IC, which is even the cheaper. They put this protection in there, which is quite good. And as we know, AC in, we got 12 volt here, and we haven't got no voltage here. This is ground and this is flag 4. I don't know what flag 4 is. And here we have got 12.5, but rest we have got nothing. So it looks like that over voltage protection IC, which is W3205 is over voltage protection IC. It's blown up for some reason, maybe electric fluctuation. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove it and we will solder another one. For me, most probably this gonna fix our problem, because this IC has died in the line of duty, so that rest of the board is protected. If this looks like, if this has died, then it should fix our problem putting the new one on. Come on, come on. I don't want to pull any pads, because I don't want to go and then finding where these traces are going, because, oh, come on. Yep. Okay. And just paint it quickly. All good. Little bit here, here, here. Oh, that's too much. But we be okay. No problem. Where is new IC? So here it is. Okay. Okay, that's all done. Now we will give it a clean. Okay. Looks okay to me now. And okay, we will move this here, and I will put you here. Can you see? Okay, let's put the charger in. Is it this way? Yeah, it's here. Can you see, guys? And the power button is this one here. Oh, yep. Turned on. So maybe the brand name is Uli. Okay, let's see what we got. Come on, hurry up. Let's make it bigger for you. So this was the little bugger which was, see that small over voltage protection IC here. Anyway, so guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.